2017 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, backup camera, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, alloy wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.